Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Paz, gorgeous lady Asantoa, and yes, so today is just a chit chat, right, with you guys. Why did I start a YouTube channel? I know most people have their own reasons why they start a channel, and as you all have seen, thank you so much for my returning subscribers. I don't want to forget you. I'm very grateful and I appreciate you guys a lot for always coming to support me. You've been with me for the past, how many years have we been here? Since, is it 2018? Oh my god, thank you so much. Even when I wasn't monetized, when my channel wasn't yet monetized, and I am really grateful. So I started this YouTube channel not because in the first place I wanted to earn money. I was in a place, let's say it was a moment of my life that I decided that I needed to encourage myself. So if you can go back to my previous videos, some of the first videos I uploaded here on YouTube, you could see that I was always trying to encourage people, right? But at the other hand, I was trying to encourage myself. So today I want us to talk about this YouTube channel because I'm thinking that most people, or I'm a woman, so I would say most women out there could benefit from using a channel like this to encourage themselves. So back to the story. I was a new mom in 2018. I was a newly married woman, I think yearly married, and things weren't moving on smoothly for me. And I used to live in the northern part of Italy, that is Como. If you know Lake Como, you know what I'm talking about. And so I used to have a different kind of living, and then I got married and I had to move to the southern part of Italy. And the place that I lived was called Assoro. It is on the Etna Mountains. So if you want to check Google, you will understand what I'm trying to say. So it was like coming from one place, like it was like coming from one country to the other. It felt like when I first entered Italy from Ghana, right? Because everything was different. And so it was very hard for me, and I was a new mom as well. So things were tough for me mentally, physically, and emotionally. And it was really draining, starting to drain me. And that was when I decided that, you know what, I need to encourage myself. And I discovered YouTube. So I decided, you know what, I will be reading some verses. I will try to educate myself. I will try to learn certain things so that I will be able to encourage myself while encouraging others. So any video that I posted here on YouTube was a video to encourage myself firstly before encouraging others. And it was amazing to be able to speak to someone that wasn't real, right? So today I want you to know that no matter the situation you are in right now, you are the master of your destiny. You are the driver of your life. Whatever you are going through right now, I think you can take control. So stop crying, stop being miserable, stop blaming yourself, and get up and do something. Today, my life is much better. I am a happier me. I am more at peace with myself because I chose not to wallow in self-pity when I wasn't happy then. So YouTube channel has been fantastic for me. Most of you who are already YouTubers, creators, you know that we don't really get much here, do we? But we are hoping to get better and, you know, earn something great in future. But if you find yourself in a situation where you are unable to encourage yourself, you find yourself a bit unloving, I would advise you to choose a channel, to choose a means that will help you forget your worries, that will help you stay focused, and that will help you with your mental well-being. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Ciao.